Now we will introduce you the variable icon and animated icon by creating a switch battery charging animation. First, let's create a simple switch. Select the area with variable icon function. The variable memory is 0301, and the initial value will be 1. There are 2 stages we need for a switch, on or off. So we shall set the value range 0 to 1. Choose the icon file and select. The icon will be switched between number 6 and number 7. To change the value of the icon we just set, we can use the incremental adjustment function. The memory address should be same with the variable icon. The value should be switched between 0 and 1. The adjustment way is incremental. Adjust step 1. Key mode. When pressed, adjust once only. The lower limit is 0. Upper limit is 1. The processing mode is cycle. So, while we click the area, the value will switch between 0 and 1. And we shall use the icon to control a battery charging animation. Add the animation icon here. The variable memory should be same with the variable icon. The initial value should be 1, and the stop value is 1. Start value is 0. Choose the icon file number 2. We want the battery image display as the animation between 0 to 5. So the start icon ID is 0. Stop icon ID is 5. End icon ID is 5. After all set, we shall save, generate, and we can use Effect Preview to check.